subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification.
Hey guys, how are you? In this video, we're going to talk about the Google's launch event. The Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL have been announced by Google officially today. First up, we're going to talk about the Google Pixel 3 XL. The front and the back of the Pixel 3 XL is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 with aluminum frame on the back. There is a 6.3-inch P-OLED display on the front with aspect ratio of 18.5:9. The notch on the front is not bad, but the way it cuts off the rest of the screen will be inelegant for some users. It is IP68 water and dust resistance to up to 1.5 meters under the water for 30 minutes. It will run on Android 9.0 Pie OS and with a Snapdragon 845 processor. On the back there is a 12.2 megapixel single f1.8 camera with dual pixel technology with AI features, and on the front there are two 8 megapixel selfie cameras, one with f1.8 and the other with f2.2. There is a 3430 mAh battery in it. The price is starting from $899 for the 64GB variant and $999 for 128GB variant. Now let's talk about the Pixel 3 with the same 12 megapixel camera on the back, and the Pixel 3 XL has a 5.5-inch display. It also has the IP68 water resistance and dust resistance to up to 1.5 meters under the water for 30 minutes. The Pixel 3 runs on Android Pie 9.0 with a Snapdragon 845 and the RAM is 4GB and the same OLED screen and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. There is a 2915 mAh battery in it. The starting price is $799 for 64GB variant, and for 128GB variant it is $899. And there is no headphone jack in both of the phones.